Hello everyone, Waza here and welcome to another week of game development. Sunday, so after making the previous devlog, I went on and started designing a new mobile game called Rogue Chef, a small puzzle cooking game for mobile and PC. That was about it for the day. On Monday, my friend and I started work on the Rogue Chef game. I started work on the logic while my friend started work on some of the art in Sprite. The game is a casual chef puzzle game where you slide to match ingredients to finish orders and buy upgrades. I almost gave up because the sliding mechanic was a pain, but I got inspired by someone on Stack Overflow and ChatGPT and got this mechanic working. Then I moved over to GunSmith, made the to-do list for the week, and then got to creating some art for the trail bot. I then had to make some other unrelated web projects, so that was it for the day. Then it was Tuesday, so I continued with the art for the enemies I added last week. So now the repeller and the rammer now have art. I also balanced out their attacks because guess spawning 11 bullets at a single point is not a good idea. Then after making some visual changes, I was done with game dev for the day and went on to do some other stuff. My friend also did some more art for Rogue Chef. Okay, then it was Wednesday. I had to focus on Rogue Chef and I had to make the main mechanic, which didn't take me the entire day because why should it? I mean, it's just sliding and mixing ingredients together, so why should it be hard? I mean, okay, I really hate this. Moving on. Thursday. So on Thursday, I focused more on art by finally making some art for the character selection screen and trying to make sure everything matched with existing UI. So since the main character has a PDA, I thought making this some kind of computer. This is temporal, as in the future I want to have something similar to Nuclear Throne and Enter the Gungeon. Then I drew up a new arena. Having the desert map as the arena is fine, but nah, I wanted something better, so I copy pasted the sewer map and recolored them a bit, and it does look a bit better, like a man-made dungeon and the like, which is good. So I run a small game development club at school, so the goal for the day was to prepare an introduction video. Nothing too fancy, just helping educate others on the wonders of game development and Unity. But I had some power issues, so couldn't do much the entire day. So around 11 p.m. I had to rush to prepare the introductory video, record this video, and make some changes to the UI in Rogue Chef and some minor changes in GunSmith. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is it for the week. I didn't get to much done on this one, but at least I have another small game in the works and I did make some progress. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video format. If you did, then leave a like. If not, still leave a like and tell me what's wrong. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.